Did you know there's a free AI tool that can clone your voice in just 3 seconds? And it's so realistic, even your mum couldn't tell the difference. That's just the tip of the iceberg, mate. Today I'm showing you 10 absolutely mind-blowing AI tools that are completely free. Most people have never heard of these. While everyone's obsessing over ChatGPT, these hidden gems are quietly revolutionizing everything. We've got AI that turns your selfies into movie posters. Tools that write code faster than senior developers. An AI that creates entire websites in 30 seconds. Plus, number 1 on this list literally saves people 20 hours of work every single week. And it's sitting there, completely free, waiting for you to discover it. Let's dive in. Number 10. Runway ML. This thing is absolutely bonkers. You can create Hollywood-quality videos from just text prompts. I'm talking full cinematic scenes that look like they cost millions to produce. Here's the crazy part: professional video editors charge $500 per hour for this quality. Runway gives you 125 free video generations every month. That's potentially $62,500 worth of professional video work. For free. Just type what you want and watch magic happen. Number 9. Perplexity AI. Think Google search, but on steroids. This AI doesn't just find information, it actually understands what you're asking. Then gives you perfect answers with sources. The shocking fact: it processes information 47 times faster than human researchers. What takes you 2 hours of Googling, Perplexity does in 3 minutes. Students are using this to research entire essays in minutes. Professionals are solving complex problems instantly. It's like having a genius research assistant who never sleeps. Number 8. Gamma. This one's a presentation killer. You literally type what presentation you want and it creates the whole thing. Professional slides, graphics, layout, everything. Here's the mental part: design agencies charge $2,000 for professional presentations. Gamma creates them in 2 minutes for free. It's already created over 50 million presentations. That's $100 billion worth of design work given away for nothing. Your boss will think you hired a professional team. Number 7. ElevenLabs. Remember that voice cloning I mentioned? This is it. Upload 30 seconds of anyone's voice and it creates a perfect clone. The accuracy rate is 99.2%. That means only 8 out of 1,000 people can tell it's fake. Podcasters are using this to fix mistakes without re-recording. Authors are turning their books into audiobooks instantly. Voice actors are creating multiple character voices effortlessly. It's genuinely frightening how good this is. Number 6. Midjourney. You've probably heard of this one, but most people don't know it's free. Type any image description, and it creates stunning artwork. Professional quality stuff that galleries would display. Here's the crazy comparison: commissioning custom artwork costs $500 to $5,000. Midjourney creates unlimited masterpieces for free. It's already generated over 1 billion images. That's potentially $500 billion worth of custom art. Digital artists are using this to speed up their workflow by 300%. Number 5. Claude by Anthropic. This AI writes better than most professional copywriters. It understands context, emotion, and tone perfectly. The shocking stat: Professional copywriters charge $100 per 500 words. Claude writes 10,000 words of high-quality content in 5 minutes. That's $2,000 worth of professional writing instantly. Businesses are using this for marketing copy, emails, and articles. The writing quality is so good, clients think they hired expensive agencies. Number 4. Notion AI. This transforms your productivity completely. It's like having a personal assistant inside your Notes app. The mind-blowing fact. Users report saving 20 hours per week on administrative tasks. That's equivalent to hiring a part-time assistant at $15 per hour. That's $300 weekly value, or $15,600 per year. For free. It summarizes meetings, organizes thoughts, and creates action plans. Your productivity will literally double overnight. Number 3. Replit Ghostwriter. This AI codes faster than senior developers. You describe what program you want and it builds it. The insane comparison. Senior developers earn $150 per hour. Ghostwriter codes at the speed of 5 developers combined. That's $750 per hour worth of programming power. For free. People with zero coding experience are building apps and websites. It's democratizing programming for everyone. Even kids are creating professional-level software. Number 2. Stable Diffusion. This creates any image you can imagine with photorealistic quality. The difference? It runs on your computer, completely offline and private. Professional photographers charge $500 per custom photo shoot. Stable Diffusion creates unlimited professional photos instantly. Stock photo companies charge $500 per image license. This generates better quality for free. Businesses are saving thousands on photography and marketing materials. Now, before I reveal number 1, smash that subscribe button. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming tomorrow. Number 1. Auto-GPT. This is the most powerful AI tool most people have never heard of. Here's why it's absolutely game-changing. Unlike other AIs that need constant prompts, Auto-GPT thinks and acts independently. You give it a goal and it breaks it down into tasks. Then completes everything automatically. The shocking fact. Users report it completes projects that would take humans 40 hours. In just 2 hours. That's 20 times faster than human speed. We are talking about $2,000 worth of professional work at $50 per hour. Done in 2 hours. For free. It researches, plans, executes, and delivers complete solutions. Entrepreneurs are using it to build entire business plans overnight. Students are completing semester projects in days. It's like having a team of expert consultants working 24/7. The scary part? This is just the beginning. These tools are getting smarter every single day. Right, that's the list. 10 incredible AI tools that are completely free and totally changing the game. If this blew your mind, hit that subscribe button right now. I'm dropping daily AI updates and tomorrow's video reveals the AI tool that's replacing entire marketing teams. You definitely don't want to miss that one. Drop a comment telling me which tool you're trying first. I reply to everyone. See you tomorrow for more mind-bending AI discoveries.